Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. In this course, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to make this beautiful pocket bookmark. It slides right over your book or Bible, holds your place, and even has a pocket for notes, pens, or highlighters, which makes it so practical for everyday use. And the best part, you can finish this project in under an hour. Now, if you're brand new to sewing, or maybe it's been a while since you've touched your machine, you are absolutely in the right place. This is the perfect first project if you've been wanting to sew but just didn't know where to start. I've designed this to be simple, approachable, and really confidence building so you're not overwhelmed and you actually enjoy the process. You don't need any fancy tools. You don't need perfect skills. I'm going to guide you through each step one at a time. By the end of this, you won't just have something beautiful, you'll have something you made. And that's where confidence really starts to grow. So let's go ahead and get started.